So now, to tear down your quadripods, we're going to show you a few tricks. It's very simple, just the same way you assemble it, but be very careful. You see when we set it up, what we do is we lift it a little bit, we move the legs, and I drop it on my leg and drop it on my legs. That avoids people to bend down, which sometimes they will do and pull down one side, which is going to make the whole thing fall on the other side, if not two people do it at the same time. So it's important that you lift it, put the legs down, and then you will both bring it down together at the same time. You will see this in the video, so enjoy. First, take off the cables. Okay, commence. On peut faire un autre dessus. That's it. As you can see, it's very quick to set up and tear down. Once you all tear down, just store it in a safe place. Take good care of it and have a lot of fun. That's it.